Yes, hi, good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today we need to discuss core Java basics because good morning, Lakshmi, good morning, Dharmendra. Because before going to Selenium, good morning, Pooja, I want to discuss with core Java basics. Good morning, Murli. Everyone, good morning. Okay, concentrate here. Core Java, starting initial concepts. Whatever required for Selenium, I want to write Selenium programs. Basic things, whatever required, that is I want to discuss. Prem Sagar. No, Prem Sagar. Join this class only. Okay, na? Generally, they are forwarding that. Okay, no issues. Okay, Prem Sagar. Same link you can join every day. Already you paid the fees, Prem Sagar. Yeah. No. That is the different batch. Why they are sending, I don't know. Okay, no issues. You have to join the same link every day, same link, same username and password. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, Priya. Oh, no. Our class is 7:30 class. Okay. By mistakenly they forwarded. Okay, no issues. So that's why already numbers you were given numbers now. Today who paid that I create group. Immediately I create one WhatsApp group. In that I will send messages and everything. Okay. 1 second, please hold. Yeah, hi Isha. Sure. Yesterday you were given the number, Isha. One moment, please. I will check it. Whatever number given yesterday were sure. 7977. No, it's not correct. Huh? Okay, Priya, no problem. Okay, I will take care. Don't worry. So Isha 779, that is wrong number, yes? 7735. Sure. I noted, okay. Sir, I concentrate here. Please, if any doubts, end of the session we will see, okay, na? Okay. Concentrate, guys. Yeah. Core Java basics, sir. So Java is a object-oriented programming language. Java is a object-oriented programming language. What it is. So everything here we can create objects and those things. So object-oriented programming language. It has multiple data types. It has multiple data types. What is a data type? For any programming language, data types are common. Data type means, for example, A is a variable. I want to store some data into A. What type of data can I store? That is called as a data type. For example, I can declare int of A. What is the meaning? A is a variable. The data type should be integer. So tomorrow I can store A equal to 10, A equal to 20. Suppose if I can give A equal to 1.23, it will give left and right. Yes, because what is the type of A? Integer. Integer means you can store decimals values only 5, 6, 10, 20, 100, 200. But 1.23 is the float. Immediately JVM will go left and right. You declared as an integer. How can you store 1.23? Boss, no chance. Okay, sorry. So what to do? You can declare float here. Then f equal to 1.23. Okay, successfully. F equal to 1.23. That's very nice. If you can declare a string yes, sir. Then s equal to double quotes, you can store Mahesh. Valid. So what it is? So what type of data you are storing? We are mentioning here A integer, F float, S string, everything. So data type means, sir, what type of data I am storing into a variable? That is, we have to mention. Sir, do you know Java is a statically typed programming language? Statically programming language. Because once you decide data type, the entire program, the type should be same. So int of A means A should be integer only. So I can store 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Float of F means F should be float entire. I can use 1.234. S should be string only. So the data should be fixed. Do you know when we go for Python? Python is a dynamically typed. But we have never discussed about Python. Because dynamically means observe carefully. Sir, if I want to go to Python, the important very thing is, if you want to declare A, what is the type of image we don't know. Runtime, sir, runtime data type will be decided by the Python, PVM, Python virtual machine. But being a programmer, Java, first we can decide data type. See, suppose if I'm given A, what is the type of A? I don't know. If I store A equal to 10, type of A equal to integer. If I give A equal to 1.23, type of A equal to float. If I can give A equal to Mahesh, see, same variable I stored all values. Final the value of A is Mahesh. So dynamically, runtime data type will be decided in the Python. That's why Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Java is a statically typed. Being a programmer, I can decide the data type. So here so many data types are there, like integer, float, strings, array, so many are there. So here A, what is the A? Just a variable. Anything you can use, not only A, B, C, D, just a variable. Okay. How many types of variables are there? Types of variables, sir. How many types of variables? In the Java. There are 3 types of variables are there in Java and Python, both languages. Both languages, 3 types of variables are there. One is instance variables, also called as a object level variables. Static variables, class level variables. Third one, local variables. instance variables, also called as a object level, static variable, also called as a class level variable, local variables, also called as a method level. Sir, if you know Java, please don't feel bored. Okay, na? Because these are all the minimum basics only. Because there are so many guys, they don't know about the Java. That is the reason I am telling. Okay, please don't feel bored. Who is having knowledge on the Java? Okay, na? Don't feel like that. Why Sari is telling these simple things like that. Okay, na? Anybody is there like that? Boring? Because of most of the people, they don't know Java. That is the reason I want to tell minimum basics first. Then I need to go to the Selenium programs. Okay, na? Guys? No one is responding. Instance variables. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So now see, instance variables. Instance variable means, for example, I can take a variable. Just I'm telling A, B, C like that. Thank you, Isha. Sir, observe carefully. Instance variable means, sir, variable means anything, sir. A, B, C. Then suppose, see, for example, all students are there. SD, I'm taking all your numbers. Name, number. Okay. Suppose I want to store student details, sir. Generally, what the variable required? Student number required, student name required, phone number required, address required, like that. So what it is, all variables only. Int student number, string student name, int phone number, address, your college name. Example. So these are all the variables. Student number, student name, phone number, address, college name, anything else, student marks, student percentage. So like that, all are variables only. Now observe carefully. So the value of the variable different from object to object, then we can declare as an instance. Yes, sure. Dhananjay, ask. Any doubt? No issues, ask. Dhananjay. Yes, Dhananjay, you can ask whatever doubt, you can type. Sir, observe carefully. The value of the variable changes from object to object. Object means, for example, yesterday we discussed what is a class, what is the object, everything we discussed yesterday. So, for example, sir, there are some 10 or 20 students are there. Every student number name will be changes. Yes or no? Every student number name will be changes. For example, student 100, the names are name. Next 101, the student is Bunny. Next 102, the student is Chinni. Next 103, the student name is Winnie. Next 104, student name is Pinny. So every time number name will be changes. Pakka, every student number name. So that is the reason. So student number and the student name, I can declare as a instance variable. Because of the value of the variable changes from object to object. So every student number name will be changes. Every student number name will be changes. Then I need to go to the instance variables. Instance. The value of the variable never changes. Suppose all students, institute name, college name is the goes out. The value of the variable never changes object. Then I can declare it as static. That's why I say it is an object variable. For every object, the value of the variable changes. Instance. The value of the variable never changes object, static. Within a method I declared local. For example, you can consider example just like it is online class. For example, if it is offline, what it is offline class, assume. In offline class, in front of me, there are some 70, 80 or 100 students will be there. Observe, careful observe. You can consider a chair. Anyone please tell, a chair is a just a variable. In my front of 30, 40 students are there. I am considering chair. Chair is instance variable or static variable? Chair is the instance or static? Lakshmi telling static. Okay, next. Why static, Lakshmi? Priya, correct. Rajkumar, wrong. Priya, correct answer. Isha, wrong. Because of, see, why wrong means, yeah, Panidhar, wrong. Yes, 1 second. All students are sitting in one chair. Lakshmi, my question is, yes, correct. Manikanta, correct. Manisai, correct. All students are sitting single chair, Lakshmi? No. What I am telling, every student have separate chair. Anil Rao, correct. Every student, suppose 100 students are there, compulsory have to provide 100 chairs. Just like what I am telling, the value of the variable changes from object. So every object means every student have separate chair. If 100 members are there, 100 chairs I am giving. If all 100 students are sitting in one chair, then it is a static. Book, static instance. Pen, static instance. Instance all these because every student have separate chair. Every student have separate their own book. Every student have separate pen. So this all comes under instance. Are you getting it? Because of for every student, separate chair will be available. For every student, separate book is there. For every student, separate pen will be there. But we know in the classroom, board, which type of variable? No simple answer, Lakshmi. Projector. Very good. Static. Why? Because of all 100 students is sharing only one board, non-static. Pandit is static. All students have one board. All students have only one projector. Single. Yes, it's class board is common to everyone. Yeah, that's why it is a static. Yes, very good. Correct only. Okay, now, sir, see that simple difference, sir. In the classroom example, you can take. In a classroom, 100 students are there. For 100 students, for everyone, separate chair, separate book, separate pen. So those are instance. For all students, class board is only one is there, only one projector. In the dais, only one trainer is there. They're all the static variables. Simple example, real world example. And if you go for this one, what it is? Student point of view. Student number, student name. Best example. Come to the student point of view. Yes, sir. Student number, Student name. For every student, number name will be changes. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Student name, Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winnie, Pinny, Funny. Yes, but every student belongs to only one college. Durgasoft. Static. So, it's a simple thing, instance variable. So, being a programmer, we can decide that what type of variable we can declare. So, the value of the variable different from object to object. Such type of variables, instance or object level variable. Simple thing. So every time for every object, the value of variable will be changes. Instance variables can be declared within the class. Every object a separate copy of instance variables will be created. That is instance. So whenever the value of variable will be changes, object to object, then I need to declare as a sir instance variable. Sir, I will give example program also I will tell. Okay, no, don't bother. Program also I will explain. Wait, okay. Program with examples I will tell. First theoretical I can explain. After that programmatical I can explain. Santosh Kumar Sahu, are you there? Yes, sir. That is instance variable. Next one, static variables. Santosh Kumar, yes. Next, second thing, static. Sir, first I will do this notes in the chat panel, take it. Later on, I will do material, sir. One excellent material I will provide. No problem, okay. Today I will take confirmation who paid. I will share the materials, okay. Don't worry. I will give each and everything I will provide, sir. Present, just you can take the notes. Just running notes, whatever I am typing now, for understandable purpose. Take, sir. I will give material, okay, na? Don't bother. One soft copy PDF I will provide it to you. Present, take the notes. Types of variables. Came in the chat panel, notes came. Data types, types of variables, instance variable. Okay. Take this present running purpose, you can take it, okay, na? Okay, fine. Sir, second one, static. Static means the value of variable never changes. If the value of the variable is not varied from object to object, then it is considered not recommended to declare that variable as instance variable. Yes, because of every time The value never changes. Then why I can go for instance? I can go for static. We can declare those variables at class level. With the static modifier. That's why these are called as this are class level. So entire class, only one copy, just like I'm telling a board, projector. Only projector can share to 100 students, 150 or 50 students, couple of members. Only one board in the classroom. That board can be viewed by so many people. So only one copy here, only one copy of the static variables created. That copy will be shared by all the objects of the class. That's why it says static variables are. Remember very carefully. Take the notes. Finally, third one, local. So this is common, local means. Generally, students are there. Suppose local students, non-local students. The local students are very powerful when compared with the non-local. Yes, in that there are so many movies also there. Name local like that movies, local feelings, locality feelings. In politics also, so many they are using. Recently in some, do you know who, how many of you know Telugu people? I don't know. Recently some election is going on there in the Ma election something. In that they are telling we are local people. He is the Prakash Raj, is the some outside people like that. Something is going on there, na? Yes. Yeah, so you are a Telugu people. Yeah, just you can copy everyone. Just you can select and copy. Okay, like that in the politics also, sir. In the not only my elections. So if it is not possible to copy, don't bother. I will share the material, soft copy. I will give. Okay, na? In the politics also, assembly elections, MP elections also. See how in Telangana KCR is local feeling. In previous elections, US also Trump. So local is a more powerful when compared with the non-local. So local variable means a variable temporary usage purpose within the method. Immediately shouldn't have doubts or what is a method. Okay. Present we don't know anything about the method now. That's why don't bother. First I will explain what is a method. How many types of methods are there? Then how to declare variable we will discuss later part. This one later part, local variable. Okay. Sometimes to meet. Yes, very good, Lakshmi. I will tell that story also. Okay, na? Sometimes to meet some temporary requirements, we can declare a variable inside a method or a block, or it's very important, sir. Method, block, constructor. Most important concept. Tomorrow we will discuss about the constructors, methods, and everything. Those are called as local variables. Temporary variables. That is the three types of variables will be there. Totally 3 types of variables we have to declare in the program. So now I have to explain with example program. So where go to Eclipse. We created in Eclipse. You can open Eclipse. So if anybody is missing configuration, go through YouTube. Just to go through YouTube. In that you can type Selenium configuration by Mahesh sir. You can type. It will come. Based on that, you can download Eclipse and all those things. Sir, what is our workspace? 5th November, 7:30 a.m. Yes, 7:30 a.m. I created. Go to the 7:30 a.m. So, instance variable, static variable, local variable. What is a constructor? I will tell you. Wait. Now, first we will see the example. So, maximum 3-4 days, sir. Next concept, method constructor. What is a method? What is a constructor? What is the difference between those two? Very important question in interview. After that, a Java concept interface. So Eclipse is opening. Please wait. See, Eclipse is opening. Next, interfaces, abstract classes, concrete classes. Then I will start Selenium programs. Sir, Selenium programs are very dead easy. When you can practice it, then only. Remember, very, very important. Sorry, whatever is there, anything is easy only. But only thing is practicing. Every day who are practicing programs, whatever assignments you can given, if you practice, then it's very, very, very dead easy. As Eclipse is opening. Okay, I will tell Lakshmi. Dhananjay, no problem. Even the 32-bit also, you can check for 32-bit Eclipse download. Yes, 32-bit Eclipse is there. Where is the Eclipse? Yes. It is 64 now. You can check 32-bit Eclipse download. 32-bit will come, no issues. Sir, first of all, see here. I have to create a class. Sir, Java configuration video in YouTube, is it uploaded in 2016? See, is it 2016 or 20? No problem. Okay, configuration is the same. Prem Sagar. No problem. Okay. Recent video uploaded. You can check in Durgasoft channel. Previous class, 3 days class I uploaded. Yeah, that is the old. No problem. Prem Sagar. 3 days back, whatever demo I am given, that video is also available. You can check it. Latest videos available there. Okay. Sir, concentrate here. Sir, create a class first of all. How to create a class? Right click on package. Core Java is the package. Go to new. Click on a class. The class name is student. Public static void main. Click on finish. So student is the class. A student contains number, name, number, name. So student have 3 variables I am taking. Student number, student name, college name. Sir, first college name. Everyone belongs to Durgasoft. I can make it as a static. What is the data type? String. How to give strings in double quotes? So student name is a static variable. No. Student number, integer. Student name, string. So general student number means 101, 102, 103, 104. Student name, Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winnie, like that. So that's why see, line number 5 is static is the keyword, reserved word. So C name is a static. Student number, student name are the instance variables. So how can I install these? By using constructor. So student, the constructor concept I will tell. Int of s number and string of s name. So I have to initialize 2 variables. Student is a constructor. Class name and constructor name should be same. So for your clarity purpose, what is a constructor? Single line abbreviation I will give. Full details I will explain constructor means. So the main purpose of constructor is to initialization of objects. The main purpose of constructor is to perform initialization of objects. So when it is executed constructor, whenever you are creating object, constructor will be executed. We don't want call. When we create an object, automatically constructor will be executed to perform. Just remember these two. With practical I will show. So constructor purpose is to initialize the object's main purpose. When it will execute, whenever object created. So student is a constructor. It contains two variables, student number and student name. So how to initialize? In the Java, this is a keyword. This dot s number equal to s number. This dot s name equal to s name. So I want to initialize two variables. Two variables. Okay, fine. So how it will be initialized? Sir, when constructor, line number 9 to 12 is a constructor. When it will execute, whenever you are creating object. So yesterday we discussed how to create object. New is the keyword. See how to create object. New is the keyword. What is the class name? Student. But constructor contains how many variables? Student number. What is the type? Integer. So 101. Student name strings. How to give strings in the Java? Double quotes. Sunny. Object created. What is the reference variable? S1. What is the type? Student class. Katham. So how it is executing? Observe carefully. Observe here. Very important thing. This is everyone concentrate. Sir, whenever I can run the program, it won't consider this. Directly JVM come to the main method. First object is creating. This line is executing. Object means simple. First of all, one object is created like this. Yes. What is the reference variable? S1. S1. System stuff over here. Yes, Lakshmi, very good. 1 second, sir. System stuff. S1. Sir, as well as in Java, this is also a keyword which is pointing to my current class object. So S1 is pointing to my object. This. Sir, first empty, sir. Empty object created. Sir, how many variables are there? 101 and Sunny. So 101 will be passing to S number. Sunny will be passing to S name. Whenever object created, constructor will execute. Sir, what is the meaning of this dot S number? This is pointing to my current class object. So S number will be initialized. S number will be initialized. Oh, ante in this empty object, what is happening means S number equal to 101. S name equal to Sunny, initialized. That is happening, sir. That is the meaning. So whenever object is created, two values I am passing. 101 goes to S number, Sunny goes to S name. What is the meaning of this line? This dot S number. What is the this? This is pointing to my current class object. So S number will be initialized. This 101 will be passing to here. This S name passing to here. The variable will be initialized. Yes. Always this is pointing to current class object, current object only every time. Sir, for example, tomorrow I created second object, assume student of S2 equal to new student of 102, comma, how it is executing. Wow, very nice. Okay. Second object is creating. First empty object created, sir. Remember very carefully. Next, what is the variable? S2. Now this is pointing to current class, this object. This is pointing to this current class object always. This is pointing current class. Now my values. Now this time 102 goes to the S number. Whenever object created, construct executed. This dot, this is pointing to current class object. Wow. So now S number equal to 102, S name equal to 1. So like that, the values are initialized. Just now I'm telling when constructor is executed, when our object is created, the constructor will be executed, sir. Very, very important thing, sir. This is object creation. This is line number 15 and line number 18. New is the keyword. These two values passing to constructor. This dot S number. This is always pointing to current class object. The values are initializing. Now see. Create again new of, sir, control spaces you can use automatically will come. See new STU control space, student, select number 102, student name is the string, so compulsory double quotes, give a reference variable S2. Whenever variable is there, compulsory data type required in the Java. Python not required, automatically will be considered. New student, control space, student number 103, Chinni. What is the object? S3. Three students are created. So every time number name number, yes. System.out.println S1 dot S number. System.out.println S1 dot S name. Sir, see automatically variables is coming. System.println S1 dot C name. Save and run. What is the student number name? 101 Sunny Durgasoft. If we can ask all student details, okay, fine. Copy, paste. Here, S2, 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 S3, S3. Now you observe. Every time number name changes. 101 Sunny Durgasoft, 102 Bunny Durgasoft, 103 Chinni Durgasoft. Every student Durgasoft, that's why you can make it as a static variable. Every student number name will be changes. 101 Sunny, 102 Bunny, 103 Chinni, instance variables. Sir, here inside, sir, can I take S number S name? No, it's just variable. You can give A and B. So here you can use A and B. Sir, within constructor, those are called as just variables. These are called as, these vertical lines are there. These are only instance variables. Inside constructor are called as just variable. See, run, same output you will get. Yes or no? So inside constructor, whatever I am given, those are not instance variable, just variables. Here I am given this dot S number. See, the color will be different, sir. Observe. Something blue color is coming now. These are instance. Here something like dull color, light cement color. These are just variables, sir. But A, B means not meaningful. Just your understandable purpose, I am given S number, S name. Compulsory, can I give me? No. Understandable purpose only. You can use A and B, X and Y, L and M, anything. So this is the simple program, sir. How to initialize, how to declare constructor, and how to take this. How many of you getting it? I don't know. Sir, if you are not practicing, no problem. Just you can understand concept. Here practicing, dictation not required for this program, Java programs. Just you can understand the concept. No need to practice here. Don't practice. Not required. If Selenium program, I will tell compulsory practice required. This is just a concept, understandable purpose only. What is a variables? How many types of variables are there? 3 types are there. Instance variable, static variable, local variable. Instance means the value of the variable changes from object to object instance. That's why it is an object level. Static means the value of the variable never changes object to object. Static class level. Local means within the method. Local, tomorrow I will tell. Because of present, we don't have any idea about the method. That's why. Simple example I am given here. A student class you can construct. A student number name every time changes for every student. Example I am given 101, 102, 103, 104. Name of the student will be changes. So I can declare as an instance. But their college name never changes. That's why you make it as a static. So that is the concept of today class. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask, you can type in chat panel. Prem Sagar, sir, your chat settings are not allowed to copy the messages. I don't know about this. Go to this Zoom. Okay, what to do? Anyone knows? You can tell. I will do. Because of this, the first time I'm using this Zoom. Is there any settings are there? Actually, I don't know yet, Prem Sagar, how to allow that copy pasting. 1 second. Fast recording, stop recording, reaction, disable annotations. Hide the name of the annoters, hide the voting shares on the meeting. Generally, it will copy it now. But here no option. In system, we are, see, already some guys are copying here. See, Priya copied already. In system, it is able to copying. Sir, put in public mode. Where it is? Public mode, Rajkumar. Ayyo, everyone telling it is showing now. In chat panel, chat panel knows Dropbox, Microsoft, settings. There is no public here. I am given everyone, yes, everyone meeting, it is shared. Sir, no problem, yeah. Because of participant can chat, yes, host and co-host. Even see, some guys are copying. Okay, no problem. I will share material. Okay, now. Yeah. Priya, what she is telling is already she copied. So just in chat panel, you can copy that and open any notebook, notepad, you can paste it on. Because already Priya was copied the notes. Sir, if you are not copied also, no problem. Babu, don't tension. Okay, na? I will give one soft copy material. See, I will show. Please don't bother about that. If it is not coming, no issues. See, I will share this material to you today. Don't feel tension, first of all. I will share this material. See this. Adobe Reader. Don't feel tension. Be cool. My Huna. I will provide everything. Today concept types of variables now. Yes. See this. You don't feel any tension. Yes, see, everything will be there. See, types of variables. How many types of variables are there? 3 types: instance, static, local. What is instance? What is static? What is local? What is constructor? Program is also there. Okay, na happy? Don't feel tension. Okay, na? I will share this material to you. Sir, anything else? Any doubts? So tomorrow I will tell constructor and method. Chirag Bhatia. Hello, sir. It is possible for you to. No, not required here. In GitHub, I will tell, okay, no issues, Chirag. In Selenium advanced concept, GitHub is also there. In GitHub, I will explain how to check in, because directly not possible to access Git and everything. First, I will explain GitHub in the advanced concepts, how to check in, how to upload, how to download everything. Daily programs I will share to you every day. Programs, everything I will share. Okay, that programs also available there in the material. But whatever program I am written, that program I will share to you. Chirag Bhatia. Okay, no issues. So tomorrow concept is, what is a method, what is a constructor, and what is the differences between Pooja. Previously, have you attended any of my sessions? Pooja Sharma. Previous batches, any batches you attended my classes? Either evening batch or afternoon batches, any previous batches? Or this is the first time? Pooja Sharma. Sir, okay, everyone. Sir, same link you can join. Okay, now by mistakenly, if my team or anyone shared 7 o'clock class, that is the different batch. Okay. Same link you can join every day 7:30. Yes, sir. Then that is the different course, Rajkumar, I will suggest you. Okay. Here we are dealing only Selenium. Okay, na? If you want JMeter, I will tell where you want to learn. That is the different course. I will suggest you on faculty and those things. Okay. What Pooja Sharma? Is it your? Okay, thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Yeah, Priya, have a nice day. Bye bye. Sir, tomorrow same link you can join. Same link you can use tomorrow also. Don't go for any another links. By mistake, if our team is sending also, today whatever link you join, Mahesh sir class, that link only you can join tomorrow also 7:30. Sir, maximum I hope everyone paid the fees. Maybe 1 or 2 persons or 3 members pending. Okay. Yes, today I will create. Today I will take list from my team. My team will give list who paid the pages. And I have your numbers now and I am checking. Sir, if anybody is missing numbers, give that numbers. If anybody is today in Telegram got updated, sir, 7:30 new batch on 11th November. 11th November, 7:30. If not my batch. No. It's not my batches. Who is the faculty? Mahipal, faculty. They mentioned faculty name now. My batch. Oh, no. Okay. No, yeah, not 11th. 12th one batch is there, that to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 12th onwards, I batch started, but 9 o'clock, that is not 7:30. Isha, yeah, sure. Isha is told your number, okay, na? Yes, Pooja, Telegram link, I don't know. Your mails, you will get it too. Telegram link. Our team will forward to your mail, Pooja Sharma. The Telegram link, okay? Yeah. Sir, if anybody is pending is there, please make the payments today. Please make it fast. Okay? Have a nice day, everyone. Bye. Tomorrow we'll meet for continuation. Same link. Same link you can join everyone tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Prem Sagar, Pooja, everyone. Okay, bye. Santosh Kumar Sahu, bye. Pooja, Raviteja, Dharmendra, bye, everyone. Have a nice day, Isha.